You can use light key frequencies to heal and prosper. Benefits include improved sense of well-being, clarity, peace, and abundance. Join today to embrace your divinity.
Hello. How are you all? Long time, right? Okay, I just finished a class and there were many good questions. I thought I can probably share some of them here. How does it get any better than this? Cool? Okay, we did a class called Gorgeous You, and we looked into transcending time today. Going beyond time. Hey, having an ageless body. How does it get any better than this? Cool. Okay. So, one of the questions was, if you go beyond time, what happens to the universal law of life and death? Good question, isn't it? Amazing question. So, what if death does not have to be decay and deterioration? What if you can simply walk off your body? Is that a possibility? Or even you can choose to undergo the pain and the deterioration consciously. That could be probably one of the experience you like to do on planet Earth. So what if that's not wrong, but what if you do it consciously, knowing that it is your creation, knowing that anytime you don't like it, you can stop it. So that's what is called conscious creation of your life. What is consciousness? Hey, being aware of everything and anything in the universe, in your life. So, I'm going to ask you one more question that might freak you out. Warning. So, truth, just be absolutely honest, and also do not think too much, do not analyze too much. Just answer the question. The first response is the good one, okay? Truth. How many people are you carrying in your body? 0, million, trillion. Either case, anything other than one is not a conscious creation. Why? If you have 0, where are you with respect to your body? Are you hanging out somewhere out there, not in the body? Then who is creating your body? So how many people are you carrying means how many people you are carrying in your body, basically. Okay, so if it is 0, the next question I would ask is whether you are in the body. If not, if it is trillion, million, even 2, who else is there with you? And what is the fun in carrying them in your body? Who is creating your body? You or the other person? Who is experiencing your body? Who are the other beings in the body? Where is the creation responsibility of yours? How is it? How many people are you carrying? How did you end up carrying that many people? Imagine you have resentment about somebody. Okay? So somebody said something that upset you, maybe 20 years back. Do you think they will still remember? 99.99% they wouldn't. But if you remember, how many times have you replayed that? How many times you have hurt yourself with that replay? In doing so, aren't you carrying them with you in your body? Yes? No? Then, if they have any resentment with someone else, probably they are carrying them. So you end up carrying the person who created the resentment for you and the other person who created resentment for them, and so on. Is it worth it? So this is what we are going to be looking at in the class that's coming up on Saturday. It's called Conscious Body Protocol. You will be amazed to see how many people you are carrying in your body. And you will be able to get awareness of how that is, impacting your body. It's your choice, hey. And it's not only when it comes to resentment, we also do this in the name of love. I guarantee you, 99% of people either carry their parents or their children. Truth. How many children are you carrying in your body from any lifetime? From any lifetime. So if you are carrying somebody in your body in the name of love, is it a contribution for you or for them in any way? So last week I was working with someone, and she was very, very agitated that one of her relatives was not treating his son properly. So she was basically trying to protect that son, and she was so much in her rightness. And she's a very good client of mine, so I can be very, very direct with her. Okay. So I asked her, are you this upset because you are doing the same thing with him? Basically, his father was trying to control his son's experience. What are you trying to do by trying to protect him? You are trying to do the same, right? Trying to protect him from the experience he has now. So that is a way of control as well. So these two may seem like coming from a different places or different intentions, but the action is same, trying to control other people's experiences, even if it is your children. So how many children are you carrying in your body? Is that helping your body? Is it heavy because of that? Or is it cluttered because of that? Or if you love carrying, that's also okay. But in this class, that's what you will become aware of. How many people you are carrying. And not only that, you will also know you have a choice to let them go. If you are actually carrying somebody in their body, are you allowing them to experience their life? Not really, isn't it? You are trying to imprison them in your body. That's what you are trying. Whether you are successful or not, that's a different story. That's always up to the being. But you are controlling them. It is not a contribution to you or them. So now you will have a choice to let them go or not, and see how your body becomes. Also learn commands to instill whatever you like to create in your body. Okay, I welcome you to join this Conscious Body Protocol class. It has no prerequisite for attendance, and if you like to become a practitioner, then you may have to do some prereq and then certification, quiz and case study, etc. That's one part. The next part is having ease with school. So this is kind of related, you see. When it comes to parenting, we are all very, very protective of our children. It's not about just children, it's about anybody in life as well. What if planet Earth is like a school? You come here as an excursion just to experience that and to evolve in consciousness through through experiencing the universe, the planet, through your body. So what if it is that? And when somebody is going through an experience, then you trying to control them, you trying to bring more ease to them, you trying to bring ease to them or controlling them becomes your responsibility. So in Ease with School series, it's going to be 4 call series, you will be able to facilitate rather than take responsibility for other people's lives. So parents can come in, learn how we can bring in more ease and probably facilitate their children with that. Children can attend for free. Between 15 and below can attend the class for free. But this class is not just for children. This is for anyone who has issues fitting into the system, who is rebelling, who has problem being here on planet Earth. It's to have more ease. Okay, so I welcome you to join that class as well. It's 40 minutes weekly call. You will learn some light keys, very gentle light keys that anybody can use without going through our intense journey of master key practice. Then you will probably learn some gentle frequencies to have more kindness. We will know how to be loving to ourselves and be kind to ourselves when we are going through the journey, etc. Okay, before we drop off, flood the planet with gratitude. So I keep repeating in every FB live, and this one really works, not just for you, for the planet. Find 3 things to be grateful for every day. 3 different things, not the same thing, okay? And also find the gratitude in the heart, not here. If you have I should be grateful for that, that's not gratitude. Whatever makes your heart expands, that's gratitude. Find something, however trivial it is, find that. Those 3 things that makes your heart expand. Okay? Flood the planet with gratitude. That brings immense healing to us and also to the planet. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my newsletter through infinitehealing.co.uk and to my YouTube channel, Nila Mystic TV. Okay? I'll see you guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.